Come test drive this 2017 Honda Ridgeline. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and power front seats. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.